All right. I finally got a bowel movement, which was perfect. Um, um, I needed it. Y'all, I had to use the bathroom so bad. Whew. I was scared for myself. I hadn't used no bathroom. And I was telling y'all about being diked up. That's not safe. It's not safe at all. Not. I'm just sitting up here thinking, like, I was so worried. I was worried, y'all. Wash my hands real good. Having a bowel movement is like everything. Like, you gotta clean your body out. Like, I don't know. I'm forgetting what I want to say. But, Queen was scared. I was scared. So, after you get done using the bathroom, you should clean the toilet behind yourself. So y'all know I got to, because my bowel movement that I had today, I had to have poop splattered everywhere from having the diarrhea. So y'all already know. I gotta clean the bathroom behind myself. Ain't nobody going in behind me. And, oh my God, mama stinking. All this, little kids, they say stuff, but they don't know. Especially the baby. She's just a baby. It's like anytime you get done, you clean the bathroom behind yourself. You gotta clean that toilet. And don't nobody coming behind you talking about you. And that's anywhere you go. You go to somebody's bathroom, you wanna look underneath the sink, see if they got some cleaning supply. If you go to somebody's house, you get some bleach spray and you clean. You clean behind yourself. Don't nobody talking about you. She done came over here, used our bathroom and left it all. You know how people talk. That's just people, but yeah. I try to keep my bleach spray, clean my toilet, keep my bathroom clean. For real. I like to have a clean bathroom. There's nothing wrong with that. Give me a little bit more oxygen. Very nice. But Y'all know. Keep you some bleach spray, a little towel with your plunger, and oh, the tissue. Put my little bleach spray down there. And it's set up. Make sure it's clean. Keep your bathroom clean. Cause nobody going in behind you talking about you. Oh, they stink. People do that. Your girl Queen had to take a bowel movement, clean the bathroom. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for the people who hanging in there with me and all the subscribers, people supporting me. I'm gonna try to come up with a brand shirt, cup or something. I want to clean my vent. A little dust on it. Oh no, I don't want to do that. I just want to clean it now. And I ain't doing too much. I'm trying to clean it. Trying to clean the little vent. That's it. Y'all already know. It's your girl Queen. And trying to clean the bathroom. Well, go rest my nerve. I love y'all. Bye.